uMbalula uthi uma ungqongqoshe wezemali uEnoch Godongwane esethula isabelo mali ngoNhlolanja ngonyaka ozayo uzobe sememezela ngokuqhubekayo ngamaE-Tolls.
As a consequence of delays in making the final decision on e-tolls, that decision on e-tolls will be made. The minister will speak to that in February. We had agreed that he will do that in the midterm budget speech. It is quite clear in terms of the decision, consultation process from the side of Treasury have not been finalized.
uMbalula uthi akusona isinqumo esilula ukuhlakaza amaE-Tolls.
Whatever you do, we need to get money somewhere in terms of the e-tolls. So it's not an easy decision you scrap and then you go away. It is not like that.
Kwamabhuku omkhulu uthi sikhuphukile isibalo sezinhlangano zezokuthutha ezithole nembiko yezemali engenacashazi njengoba bezizine manje sezisihlanu.
The Auditor General has observed that the entities who are doing well to create stability and drive clean administration is CBRTA, SACA, DLCA, RSR and Ports Regulator.
Uthi kuyakhathaza kakhulu ukusashaza kwezimali kwezinye izinhlangano njengoba umcwaningimabhuku omkhulu ethole iPrasa, AXA kanye naSanral izo lezinhlangano ezisaphaza imali.
Prasa's irregular expenditure amounts to 742 million rands, while Sanral and AXA have incurred 175 million rands and 282 million in irregular expenditure respectively.
uMbalula uthi umnyango wezokuthutha ubeke eceleni imali engu-104.3 billion yokulungisa imigwaqo yakuleli. Uthi iSanral ibamba iqhaza elikhulu ekulungisweni imigwaqo yakuleli.
Transfers to Sanral account for 31% of the department's budget and 62.2% of the department's budget for the road transport program.
Kube wathi bazogxila kakhulu ekulungisweni komgwaqo R573 umloto road njengoba ebekelwe eceleni imali engu-2.7 billion.